Here are the only 3 picks you need for Canadiens versus Hurricanes tonight. Starting with Cole Caulfield over 0.5 points. He has 3 points in 3 games this series. Montreal continues looking towards Caulfield whenever they need offense, and he's been creating chances every game in this matchup. For the second play, we have Sebastian Aho under 2.5 shots on goal. He's only cleared 3 shots once in the series so far, and Montreal has done a strong job limiting Aho's clean looks and keeping him from getting comfortable offensively. To wrap it up, we have Jakub Dobeš under 28.5 saves. Montreal likely won't allow as many shots through as they did last game, especially with Jakub continuing to play electric in net this series. I'll be back tomorrow with more locks. Follow for more daily picks.